just in case anybody's curious what a Dodge Ram looks like without the front end. Crazy thing is, you can still leave the hood on it. But anyways, it's got the front fender on it. A little bit of rust down here, but no big deal. Got to buff and wax it so it's shiny like the rest of the truck. Got everything all bolted back up. Just got to put the battery in it. Really easy to do, honestly. Anybody that goes to change a front fender on these things, beware the inner fender is welded to the outer fender. And there's this bracket right here. Bolts in 3 bolts, one here, down there, and one back there, and then 2 right here. Now when you take it off, you just remove this bolt, and then this will pull away far enough to be able to pull it off. But when you install it, you're going to want to remove this whole bracket, otherwise it's not going to go on correctly. So Old Red Rebel's coming back together. I'm about to install the aftermarket headlights, so stay tuned because the aftermarket headlights are about to go on.